Hello Future Millionaire, this is my last video of the series, a 30 video in 30 days about Bitcoin Cash. What you see here is my first attempt at the branding, because I'm going to travel around Australia everywhere, so I decided to get some nice bags for all the stuff I'm carrying with me. You never know what I'm carrying, right? Sometimes I might be carrying very valuable things, or sometimes I just carry completely useless stuff. But as a surprise, whoever wins the watch competition, he will also receive his watch in a bag just like this. All right. Now, yeah. Oh, by the way, that's the shop I bought those bags from. The lady was extremely helpful, and their managers is beyond helpful in helping me choosing the right model. I'm really happy with all the services provided by Tumi. The entire team is amazing. So if you are in Gold Coast and looking for a bag for yourself, this is literally the only brand I usually buy, and I can highly recommend that. Now back to Bitcoin Cash. So my parting shots for the beginner is this. It is very important you understand that this series of video I made is not for you to say study Bitcoin Cash. It's to give you a glimpse into the power of Bitcoin Cash. What I'm going to do is from here onwards, I'm going to make more videos covering different areas of the real potential for Bitcoin Cash, because it's not just a payment system. For me personally, Bitcoin Cash is also similar to raw materials, real estates, highways, toll booths, telecommunication networks, all that and more. So I will make more videos covering different aspects of Bitcoin Cash. And as a glimpse into the power, I suggest you check out a website which I find incredibly amazing and fun to use. It's called OnlyCoin. I only just came across this website yesterday because I was looking for something interesting to share with you guys. Whoever did OnlyCoins, you are a genius. I have no idea who is the owner of OnlyCoins. OnlyCoins is literally the most amazing direct application of fast, easy, cheap payments. Now, the last part of my video I want to dedicate to an interesting experience I had last night. I was with a very good friend of mine because I want to show him in catalog the watch I bought for him in person. So he was online on chat with another friend who was chatting him up about Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. So I tried to answer this person's question, but this person is so new to the whole thing, and this person does not have any idea what this is all about. So after about 15-20 minutes back and forth, I finally was able to send the person multiple micropayments, anywhere between 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, something along the line. So I'm not trolling you, hello person. I'm not trolling you. What I'm really doing is demonstrating to you the power of micropayments. And I hope making this video, it helps you to understand more what that really means to be part of a Bitcoin Cash network. And I also remember that one of your questions was last night that which coin is going to go up most next week. Honestly, I don't know. I really don't know, because what you're asking for is short-term timing services, which I do not provide, nor can anybody else provide that to you. If anyone else tells you that he or she knows which coin is going to go up most in the next 1 week, then that person's lying to you, flat out lying to you. What I'm doing here is financial education. And if you watch my channel and be financially educated, this is something far more important than know a hot tip from some strangers on the internet and try to gamble all your money on it. Because if you do hear a hot tip and put all your money to that hot tip and thinking you'll get rich in the next 1 week or two to pay for your bills, then you are basically gambling. Then I would recommend you go to casino, play the games there. Just play Baccarat. Your chance of winning there is higher than playing on the crypto market with this kind of lack of information. So I sincerely invite you personally, you have my phone number, I sincerely invite you to join us, the Bitcoin Cash community. And I'm happy to make a video with you even without your face, just a voice, because I want to teach as many people as possible in person about the Bitcoin Cash potential and the upside, why this thing will go up still 100x. And now I need some help with the community here. Everybody, please share your opinion about why micropayment is important, low fee payment is important, speed is important, and please let this person know what is the deal about being able to receive from a stranger without talking to the person a 1 cent payment over the internet. That is huge deal and instantaneously. Please help me out. And this will be the end of my 30 parts video. And from here onwards, I'm going to make individual videos again about different topics, but they will all relate back to Bitcoin Cash. And for those who have watched every single one of my 30 videos in the past, congratulations. I believe you learned something. I believe you're on the path to become the next future millionaire. And I welcome you to this community. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.